What's that? You're going? You're going to register?
Corpus Christi, Texas.
My gosh, we've been here how long today? The inspector, the car inspector, car number 120 would like you to come look at his car. All right, we're moving some product here. 191, number 11, 122, 150, and 171. Come pick up your prizes.
I've been off at 44 days. I've got probably 30.
That's a custom console there.
Oh, we're down to one number. Number 50, where are you at? Number 50, come on now. We gotta give this prize away. Number 50.
Okay, we got the San Antonio Street Rollers all the way from San Antonio, Texas.
All right.
And we got the debut run over here. The longest trip we brought this car. Custom built.
110, 104, 239, 167, 163, 113, and 153. 104, just won a prize. Come pick up your prize. When they're all gone, they're all gone. If we call your number and you don't go pick it up, you're out of luck. Safety inspector rolling around. There's a gentleman, where are you at? Car number 120 over here. Wanted you to look at his car. T-shirt booth is now open. T-shirt booth is now open. They're over here. Get over here and get his t-shirts. Do we have koozies?
Look at that car. Yeah, kind of like the one on Cobra.
Hey, so
Numbers are going
the
fast.
color of your car is like darker, right?
Yeah.
So it's still cherry, but it's darker. I want to see it.
239, 167, 163, and 153. Get over here and get your prizes. They're in the nut and bolt right now. They're in the nut and bolt
Man,
right
so
now.
many cars.
Beanbag toss and fan belt toss will be later on. Oh, heated competition with a nut and bolt competition. Don't forget, if you're hungry, they got cheeseburgers, hot dogs, chicken burgers, chips, and more. Also, soft drinks and bottled water over there by the entrance in the big tent. I smell them cooking. Smell good. Get over here and get your t-shirts, because once they're gone, they're gone.
The Volkswagen area.
Next artist. How many times did they play the Ed Sullivan Show? And what year was it? What's the date on it? How many times did they play the Ed Sullivan Show? You gotta figure out what the artist is first.
All right, hold on.
And how many times did they play the Ed Sullivan Show? September 12, 1967. There was scheduled for 6 appearances, but they got kicked off because they wouldn't do what the producers told them to do.
That's Rat Fink.
He's biting his steering wheel and he's on it and he's driving his car. His eyes are looking up. He's on it. Dangerous. Super thirsty.
Yeah, I've got a sample of that color in my truck. The deal that I'm supposed to turn into tea.
Where's your brothers at?
Oh, just in world famous turkey legs over there at the Angler Turkey Tent at the entrance. World famous. famous they are, but I was just told they are world famous. So you have to go over there and get a world famous turkey leg.
Wow, look! There's cool people in there. Dad, look.
Yeah.
Who didn't like a little George Strait?
And then she gave me the 56. Had a short tail shack or not. You might want to check with her again. I ask her. I can
I
ask
got
her.
a question. If the turkey legs are world famous and they've been serving them here, does that mean that the Costa Age rod is world famous now? It's got to be. That's the way we look at it. We have a wallet. If you dropped your wallet, come identify yourself. We have your picture. We promised this is leaving to the mall at 12 o'clock. So anyway, we have your wallet. If you lost it, come identify yourself, and we'll get it back to you after you buy a T-shirt or two. Don't forget to get your 50/50s. Don't forget silent auction items. Silent auction item. Now, if you sign your name on that silent auction item, you have to come check it out because I'm sure somebody's already put a name behind here. So we gotta get that going. T-shirts going on. Also hamburgers, hot dogs, and the world famous turkey legs, chicken burgers, along with
I'll make my way back over here.
Hayes and Rod's car show.
There's a couple of them I didn't get.
Please, let me say.
Are we in the adult competition now? Or are we still kids?
You want him?
Last call for kids. Last call for nut and bolt competition. All you have to do is figure out what nut goes on what bolt. And if you're not missing any, well, it'll be okay.
Nick, stop it! Herman, stop!
Well, that ain't mine.
Alrighty, we got some lemonade going on for donation for funeral expenses for an employee. Funeral expenses. Lemonade going on at the front desk. Get over there, buy your lemonade. Got all kinds of stuff going on. Got vendors selling stuff. Get over there, see all your vendors. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Don't forget now, guess how many pieces of candy are in this big jar. And then pennies and dimes.
All
How
right.
much money is in the pennies and dimes?
Well, guys, thanks for checking out my video. And let me know what you think.
That the hamburgers are real meat,
I appreciate all your
not fake.
comments and new subscribers.
Hamburgers are real meat.
Pretty much what I like to do, go to car shows and stuff like that.
We
So
only have 4 numbers cars up here. If your car number is 239,
Try to do as many videos as I can.
163.
I don't have any fancy video camcorders or anything. It's all off my phone. And I don't do any editing or nothing.
So I got a.
Just straight off the phone.
There's a few cars that don't, we're not registered yet. You gotta register your car.
All right, guys.
Which one is yours?
Thanks a lot.
The Shelton?